It looks really good. Here's what we got. So what we have is a sun-dried tomato and basil seasoned chicken. The way it's going to be cooked, we're going to use oil, medium-high heat, cook for 1 minute, or let it heat up for 1 minute. Place chicken, let it cook 6 minutes on one side, flip it over, 6 minutes on the other side, and with 12 minutes, we should be able to hit 165 degrees internal temperature. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fire both sides. I'm gonna cook on each side, and I'm gonna cover one, and we're gonna see which one cooks the best, or which one end up better. There you go. We're gonna go with medium high, like it said. Then let's oil the griddle. I'm gonna cover that one. It's been 6 minutes. Let's take a look if there's any difference. Oh wow, there is a big difference. So this is the uncovered one. And then this is the covered one. Can you tell the difference? It's been 6 minutes on that side, so it's been cooked for a total of 12 minutes. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at both of them. Oh, wow. Definitely a difference. This one shrunk. You could tell the size difference. Now let's see if we hit 165 internal temperature. All right, let's check the temperature on this guy. See how he did. Let's see. Oh, wow. 167, 176, and climbing. Okay, so that's done for sure. Let's check this guy. Oh yeah, he's 173 and climbing. So they're both done. Can you see the size difference? This one's maintained its size. This one kind of shrunk a little bit. I covered this guy up. Good results. Now let's serve it. Let's turn them both off. They're done. They went way over 165. You know what we should do is cut inside of it and see what it looks like. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, we'll do the uncovered one first. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, it looks good. That looks really good. Looks amazingly delicious. So that was the uncovered one. Let's see what the covered one looks like. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, that looks good. I think all in all, they both turned out pretty good. The only difference I've seen was the one that was covered. It shrunk on us, but it looks delicious. It looks well done. Looks moist, as you can see. All right, thank you for joining. See you tomorrow. Bye. So this is the one that was uncovered. It looks really good.